One common way to quickly create a 3D object is to take an existing object and to give it a depth. By giving an object a depth value, you are moving it into 3D space and giving it a new look. This can be done in Illustrator using the Effect, 3D, Extrude, and Bevel effect. To see the effect, enable the Preview option. Using the Extrude Depth value, you can set the depth of this extrude, which is the depth given to the object in 3D space. There's also options for capping or turning off caps on either end. With the cap turned off, the object becomes hollow on either end, like a tube. To spin the object around, you can click and drag here on the rotation cube. This lets you see the 3D object from all sides. You can also alter the values here for the X, Y, and Z axis, or change the perspective by altering this value. The drop-down list at the top lets you see the object from several different viewpoints, including a number of isometric views. For 3D extruded objects, you also have the same shading options that are available for 3D revolved objects, including the ability to change the shading color, the number of lights that highlight it, and the number of blend steps. By adding in multiple light sources, the object becomes more realistic as the shading better represents the shape of the object. Once you are satisfied with the direction, the shaping, and the shading of the object, you can click the OK button to save these changes to the object.